I feel the force. Okay, here you go. A chest. No.
Force is telling us to go this way.
Bacon senses.
Ooh, your bacon senses tickling.
Yeah. There's like the spidey senses, boy.
Except bacon menace.
Okay. Let's see if my bacon senses were correct. Oh, a crafting table.
Oh, nice.
Dude, they usually put them in like pretty like good like tall. Oh my god, my bacon senses were right.
Oh my god, your bacon senses were right.
Go, dude. No, don't do that. I'm telling you not to fight, and I'm telling you.
Wait, is it only one guy?
No, there's two.
Are they fighting or are they teaming?
I don't know. You tell me.
Wait, I don't care.
Don't go in there. You die, man. Oh, he got full iron, boy.
Dude, come over here. Let's go.
Gotta boost me.
Watch out. I'm going in for the kill. I'm going in. I'm going. Oh, no.
Oh!
Oh.
No, don't let that guy get in the boat.
Don't let him get in the boat. Oh, he's whacking me silly. He's whacking me silly. Get back. Get out of there, bacon. Bacon.
Uh-oh. Oh!
Bacon. I don't know what to do. The only thing I can do. Boss on a boat. Yeah. Yeah.
Oh! They got golden apples for days.
Oh my god. Take them. They're running. They're on the run. Oh no, what is he doing? Boost me. Boost me. Boost me. Boost me one more time. One more time.
Come on, let's go! Get in there! Get in there!
Okay, stop with the boost. Here we go. Oh, he had a diamond. Toss the diamond. Toss the diamond.
One sec. Here. And take this. Take the good armor. Take the good armor.
I'm taking the good armor. I want the good armor. Oh, yeah. Wait, do you have a stick?
Help me.
Run. Where is he? No.
Oh my god, help me.
Boost me. Now boost.
Oh my god. Yeah! Find tributes. Mom.
Oh, man.
Dude, my spike.
That guy did. Yeah, dude, your
my
bacon
senses, man. And
Man.
dude, talk about it, man. There's the bacon.
Oh.
There's the bacon.
Okay, from now on, guys, use this on me. Use this against me. From now on, whenever Bacon says his bacon senses are tingling, I trust him 100%. After we got those 2 kills. Okay, Bacon, let's go to spawn. Uh-oh, 4 tributes.
Wait, dude, do you have an extra iron helmet?
Actually, no. Wait, extra iron helmet? No, I don't actually.
Follow me this way.
No, dude, okay, yeah, let's go to spawn. Okay.
I'm sorry, man, but I'm ditching you.
Oh. Damn it.
Dude, I can't. Okay. Crash in the boat for sticks.
Crash it. Well, I already have 4 sticks.
Okay. I'm gonna go see what is cooking at spawn.
But be careful. Keep your distance from any bad guys.
The Pinchers are bad guys.
I don't know.
I don't know.
People with full diamond. Ooh,
Oh no! Go!
sponsors have refilled the chest. I'm going.
Baby, come on, baby. I can't get there.
You gotta get there, dude.
Gotta get you in my fucking mouth. Okay. Nah, they're getting all the loots right now.
You don't know that.
There might not be anybody at spawn because they might be afraid of us.
Yeah, there might be 2 weak people like, I can't do this. This guy's weak.
There's no one at spawn.
What?
Yep. There's no one at spawn.
Block glitching up.
Oh wait, there is somebody.
Oh,
He has
there is.
full iron with diamond sword.
Really? Wait for me. Wait for me.
I'm taking him. I'm taking him.
Really?
I got him! I got him!
Oh, baby.
Oh my god, I got him.
Toss me that diamond sword.
I've got 4 diamonds. Oh my god.
Toss me all the diamonds, please.
One sec, Big Nelly.
Toss me the diamonds, please.
1 sec.
All of them.
Ah, yes. 35 arrows for Johnny.
Toss them down, all 4 diamonds. I need them.
Take that diamond sword.
But toss the 4 diamonds, please.
No, they're mine. They're mine.
No, are you gonna craft diamond boots?
Oh yeah.
Oh, I wanted the diamond boots.
Oh yeah.
Hey, the joke's on you. The joke's on you.
What do you mean the joke's on me? I got the boots with
Wait.
the fur.
Wait, you made a diamond sword. I had enough for a diamond axe, and you had enough for diamond boots. We could
We
have
could have
made,
made a diamond chest.
Oh,
Oh my god.
Becky, we could have made a diamond chest plate.
Oh my god.
Oh,
Oh.
that's gonna be a thing. We're gonna have to quest for the diamond chest plate. Okay, we're gonna double team on this guy.
Honorary deathmatch? Or something? I don't know.
Yeah. Okay, let's go. Hey, dude. Oh my god,
Sacrificial
he's not even.
fight.
He's not giving it an effort. He's not even.
Okay, you ready?
No, not yet. Okay. Almost ready. This is gonna be a tough battle, guys.
And I'm wearing my boots with the fur.
Yes, he is.
Since you got a better laptop, less lag. Advantage.
Okay, here we go.
Wait, 1 sec.
Oh, jeez. This is not gonna work. I have a funny feeling.
Okay, here we go.
Okay.
Wait, 1 sec.
Oh, okay. Oh my god. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, golden apple.
Oh!
Oh, oh, oh.
Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no!
Give me that ass. I want that ass.
No! No!
I want those boots with the fur. I want those boots with the fur. Give me those boots with the fur. Boots with the fur.
With the fur.
Oh my god, I want those boots with the fur. I want those boots with the fur. Those boots with the fur. Those boots with the fur.
No!
Those boots with the fur.
No, stop, time out! What the? No,
Yeah!
no,
Yeah!
that's so gay! I was not ready! That's so retarded!
Lightning struck. Lightning struck.
That's so gay!
Yeah, thank you all for watching. This has been a Hunger Games. Even with the boots with the fur and a diamond sword, a diamond axe, and a Yoshi fighting skills could even win you the match. Well, thank you all for watching. That was a good. Hit the like button for that, Hunger Games. Thank you all for watching. Anything you want to say, Bacon?
Join 21.
Too bad. Bye.